What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl, where secrets come at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, because we are litty over here. And y'all, this is my little corner space. Excuse my little dusty little y'all know my heater, but it works, it does its job. So y'all know my last video when I told y'all about my makeup organizer. Well, actually, these are not a three pieces, not come together. I purchased all three separately, but y'all, I wanted to show y'all my compartment little gizmo things that I did for my nails. I decided to declutter, my nails and stuff like that. Declutter the stuff that I'm not using, but we'll talk about that in a later video. So y'all, without further ado, we're going to try to do this with one hand. It does have wheels. Y'all might be jumping and stuff. So I'm gonna try to do this as best as possible. Let me see. Y'all, let me be back real quick. Okay, y'all, so I had to figure out how I was going to do this. So basically, you press this button and it gets smaller. So right here, I have like my ink things, little ink paint things, alcohol ink paint things. I have my glue for my foil, and also my bonding and, stuff I use when I do my nails. Right here, this compartment is used for the little press-ons that I was practicing on. And then, y'all, it comes out like this. So right here, we have the little nail attachments for Big Sugar. That's my practice hand. Right here, we got some dehydrated flowers for when you're doing encapsulated flowers. Then got more nail stuff. This is that spider gel stuff. This is for when you're doing press-ons. And this scoots over. And then in here, put the caviar beads. Y'all had to buy a gigapet. Just nostalgic stuff. We have nail foil, sanding bands, more attachments for Big Sugar. And this thing actually comes out. So yeah, I'm not going to take everything out. Or I just might. My nail book. This is just practice sheets like when I'm doing like nail art. More nail books. So I want to be able to show y'all what fits in here. This is my backup drill. So I always gotta have a backup drill. This is my backup drill for the backup. And then here I purchased some small containers. Y'all, all of that is my nail stickers in here. So yeah, y'all have all seen my nail sticker collection and stuff like that. Here is, hold on. Sanding bands, nail bits. I have a nail brush in here. That's a sharpener, my daughter tools, and that's what's in here. But everything that's down there, y'all, that's a single layer, so there's nothing underneath there. And it's just my stickers, just everything. So we're gonna put that back in here. I gotta remember how I had it. So yeah, I'm sorry if y'all are moving and stuff. I'm doing this with one hand. So So as you can see, this slides over and pushes back. That slides over. And this closes like this. It does come with a key, but knowing me, I'm goofy, so I might lose the key. So hold on, y'all. I'm trying to. And then it has wheels. Y'all see my feet? So we're gonna push that over there. Oh, yeah. I'm tripping. No wonder why I'm like, y'all, there's a whole piece missing. A whole piece missing. Like, seriously? They're probably like, you're missing a piece. And these also, if you want to have more space, you can take those out, and this can just be just one big space without the dividers. So we're going to do that again. And then we're going to wheel that back over there. And then this one, y'all, as y'all can see, that one just has this compartment and then the bottom part. But this one has levels. It's this level, 1, 2, 3. And I just purchased the rose gold because I just thought it was pretty cute. Cute color. And they all matched. And I'll try to link everything down below. I want to say for both of these, y'all, it was under 160, 150. These things are not cheap. Usually, like, these things by themselves is like 100 or a little bit over. So I was able to get a good deal on both of these. Even that, like, when I purchased this was only 26 bucks. And these ones, I'll try to link it below or put something on the screen to show you how much I paid for it during the time when I purchased it. And then hopefully they still have it. Knowing them, it might be more. And once again, I purchased all 3 items from it's all dusty, y'all. Excuse the dust. I purchased these all from Amazon. So in this one, I have nail bits. You know, these usually come when you buy a drill, so it's just something I accumulated. Let me do an eagle view. Dehydrated flowers for when you're doing encapsulated nails. This is the razor when you're trying to do the little, the razor and that little thing when you're trying to, like, cut the acrylic and make the acrylic, and yeah, I know what I mean. We have swatch sticks. This is a mirror that my Nana got me. This mirror is so cute. And y'all, tell me if y'all feeling this video quality. This is off my new phone. This is cute. Right here we have some caviar beads, hole puncher, our little dapping dish, marker, a little brush when you want to get the dust off. Right here we have our cut down tool, and I don't know why I put this in here, but I use this to tighten up my piercings. And then in here, y'all, I have purchased these from Dollar Tree. And basically you put the nail polish container in there and you kind of hold it like this. And y'all, my nails, my hands and my nail cuticles are ashy, so don't judge me. Right here we have some sanding bands. We have our Carlash Professional files. I always get 80/80 grit because it's just easier and give you a more crisper finish when you're trying to file your nails. That's just me personally. Some people use, what is it, 100 to 80 or 180. Yeah, I use 80/80. This is some acrylic I made. More acrylic I made. More acrylic I made. Under here we have a buffer. Right here we just have basically the acrylic that I use, that I'm Old Faithful. We got our Tammy Taylor in a bigger size. Got my Mia Secret. I already got this size at my nail desk, so this is just extra. Mia Secret rose colored cover powder. Mia Secret pink acrylic powder. And this is Nude by Model Ones. Their acrylic is pretty cool. I don't remember how I put this. So that closes up like this. Now hopefully this view is good. Once again, y'all, I'm doing this one hand band. So this one has wheels too. So on the sides it has the part where you detach it. So on here, y'all, I have my nail tips. These are from a beauty supply store, but they do sell these on Amazon. But they're not for $3.99 on Amazon. They're more. But if you can find these at your local beauty supply store, they're usually $3.99 by Goldfinger. So I got nail tips. They're just all Goldfinger nail tips. And different. Well, no, I think the only curve. Are they in different? No, I only got Empress curve. These are some Kiss Hot Curve. Like I wouldn't wear these. I used to, but I would use these for practice. More nail attachments for Big Sugar. These are my XXL nail tips. These are what I actually use on my nails. I don't know what this is to. This got to be to one of my ring lights. We just got a whole bunch of basically nail tips, y'all. It's nothing but nail tips in here, and extra long because that's what I use. So then, oh wait, hold on. Oh no, I'll just do it this way. It's easier. And y'all got some hair. Don't judge me. Y'all know some of these vacuums don't be picking up everything because I got the regular $49.99 vacuum from Walmart. What is it, Bissell? Y'all know Bissell don't always pick it up, but it does its job, so don't judge me. So y'all, in here, this is the dome part. You could actually fill this up. There's more. You actually could fill this up. There's more room. So here I have all my glitters. I'm not going through all these glitters, y'all, because they're literally stacked up on each other. But these are these glitters by Celine, I don't know, but I purchased these from Walmart. If you're looking for affordable glitters, don't let nobody tell you to go and order. Well, if you want to support people, sometimes, y'all, if it's shaky, I'm sorry, my hand's starting to shake. Let me hold both hands. If you want to support businesses and buy their, their glitters and stuff, that's fine. But y'all, go to Walmart. This thing of glitter, which is 2.5 ounces. That's a lot of glitter. Y'all, that's like $4 something. It's definitely under $5 at Walmart. So definitely invest in that. We have our Demart nail enamel dryer. We have our gold foil. I think I purchased this either from Michaels or, yeah, Michaels. Joann Fabrics or Hobby Lobby. I think I got it from Michaels. This too. I think I got this from, I got this from, both of those from Michaels. Michaels. So cute. Michaels. And these are all my acrylic paint when I'm doing my, my 90s or my freehand type of line work on my nails. Michaels. 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 What's this? This is my gel lamp. This is my acetone, 32 fluid ounces. It's the big boy. And these are just more glitter. I don't know why I got this glitter, because this is just tall for no reason. So those are huge glitters. Line them up. Flip it on the side. And then that stays like that. Wait, hold on, it's not lined up. Flip it on the side. Press the button. So yeah, y'all, that's a little walkthrough of my nail containers. Basically, I wanted to clear out my table because my table was a mess, and y'all know me hoarding. Did I say hoarding? I need to get my life together. Hoarding, you know, nail stuff, because, you know, I don't do other people's nails. I just do my own. So y'all know me. I can go a long time without doing a feel. So it's just like, I don't need to have products like I'm running my own shop, you know. That's just something I decided I did not want to do other people's nails. I used to at the beginning of my journey, and I just decided that that's just not something I want to do. I just enjoy doing my nails, you know. I get kicks out of just doing my nails. I'm not trying to, you know, do other people's nails, but y'all, if y'all just want storage, like even if you just want to use it to maybe store makeup or store little trinkets, or if you do arts and craft projects, or if you got perfumes or something like that, you don't have to necessarily use it for nails. But if you do need like more space in your nail area and you just want to condense things down, I would highly recommend these. As you can see, they store a lot. The color is beautiful. They had different colors, so if this is not your thing, then, you know, but these are from two different sellers, because as you can see, this part is black, that part is rose gold. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful for y'all. Once again, I'll try to link everything down below, even this little beauty down here. So hopefully this should come out probably after this video. Then everything will be linked for this one, which y'all, they done went up, because this was $26. Now they ask for like 40 and 60 bucks. It keeps going up and down. So you know how Amazon be. But yes, y'all, hope I was some help. Hope you enjoyed my little shaky video. Y'all, I tried. I'm so sorry. But I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.